guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this look, then keep on watching. With the JH33 brush, I'm going to grab the color Nightscape. And I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just going to start smoking this out. And I'm slowly blending this into the crease, moving more towards the inner part of the eye. By the way, I didn't even tell you guys what base I'm using. I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, I believe. Let me just double check. It's actually in Soft Ochre. I used to use the Painterly one because the Soft Ochre was always out of stock, but that's what I'm using as my base. A little bit more, I'm just going to intensify the outer part of the eye by just tapping it in. I'm doing circular motions to blend this outward. The JH40 brush, which is a smaller brush, I'm going to grab the color Nightscape again. And this time I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lower lash line, because I want to connect and make everything smoky. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick. So I don't consider myself to have like droopy eyes, but I don't have like lifted eyes either. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can kind of see. So I don't know if it's going to capture it or not. But if you see right here, I have a line that makes my eyes go down. So it makes the illusion of maybe a little bit of a droopy eye. My eye might not look as droopy as maybe other eyes, but it definitely just makes it look that way. So with the JH38 brush and the same color Nightscape, with a little bit on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and try to fill that spot by going up and down. And that way, when you fill in that spot, you're kind of lifting it and filling it. So now my eye looks a little bit more lifted. I don't know if you can kind of maybe see the difference. I wish I wouldn't have done this side, done this first, so you guys can maybe see the difference. But it just helps like fill, you can say, and make it more lift. So I hope you learned something new today. With the JH30 brush, it doesn't have anything on this brush. I'm just going to use this to blend out the edges before I apply like a transition color, because I just don't want it to look too muddy. So just blend, blend, and blend. With the M511 brush, I'm going to grab the color Canyon. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that to blend the outer part of the eye. It says a transition color. Back with the JH40 brush and the color Canyon. I'm just going to go ahead and use this for the lower lash line as well. With the M433 brush, I'm going to go back with the color Nightscape. Again, just applying this on the outer part of the eye. This is like my go-to brush. It's been through everything, and I try not to use it, but I just love the way that I am able to apply and blend with this brush. Now with the Urban Decay Naked Eyeshadow Brush, with the flat side, I'm going to grab the color Turquoise. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the eyelid. I'm going to apply it dry and then maybe a little wet too, just to see how it looks. With the other side of the brush, I'm just going to lightly go ahead and blend the edges on this side. Back with the JH40 brush and with the color Nightscape, with just a little bit on the brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend these edges. You want to make sure there's no line and everything just blends very well together. Just for fun, we're going to try this out. I have turquoise here, and I have this Pacifica Crystal Dewy like setting spray. So I'm just going to spray some on the brush. And let's just apply a little bit more. I feel like it looks the same, but it's looking a little bit more metallic-y versus like this side. I'm going to apply more Nightscape on my lower lash line using the JH38 brush, because I just want this to look a little bit more darker and smoky. Here's the dilemma that I'm having. I can't decide if I want to apply black eyeliner on my waterline on top and the bottom. I for sure want to apply it on the top so when I apply my lashes, everything looks good, blended. But I just don't want it to be like overall just too dark on the eyes. I am planning on maybe doing like this is the Wonder, I think it's called like Wonder Pencil from NYX. I kind of want to apply it on my lower lash line. That way, like my waterline, that way it kind of just opens the eye a little bit. So we're going to try that. But I'm going to do it off of camera because it looked a little spooky when I do it on camera. Also with this black pencil liner, I'm going to apply this a little bit really close to my lash line. And that's going to act as my eyeliner. And then I'm going to go over it and smudge it. Now time for some lashes. I believe these are the Lily Lashes in Style Miami. I could be wrong. I'm really bad about putting my lashes back in the correct box. So yeah. Final look. I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below, let me know what other eyeshadow look you guys want me to do, or any videos that you guys want me to do. Comment down below. I love to interact with you guys. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that goody good stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.